Now we are going to install ATLAS.ti software. As you can see on this particular slide, this is the source. I would also like to acknowledge ATLAS.ti software and their website complete information contribution from the ATLAS.ti. Now coming to the software installation part, I request all the participants, especially those who are practicing along with me, please open your Google and type here ATLAS.ti software. Just click on the Google search. Just click on the Google search. Please scroll your cursor down. Come to the second search engine. Come to the second search engine. Instead of going for a sponsored one, come to the second search engine, that is ATLAS.ti.com, the number one software for qualitative data analysis. Just click on it, first search engine. And you can see that we are in ATLAS.ti website. Whenever you get the free time, though it is not, I'm not able to cover many of the features, but I request you to please go through this particular website. Okay. Keep your cursor on products. Keep your products cursor on a product. We have different kind of versions at ATLAS.ti. One is Mac version, Windows version, web version. Just click on the products. After clicking on the product here, come to the right side. Just click on product, Mac and Windows. We can able to install Mac version. It depends on your operating system that you are using on it. Now coming to the how to download it. As you can see here on top of this particular website, there is an option called try for free. Just click on it. Just click on it. Now we got the new progress window. After clicking on try for free, we got the new window. That is, if you look at the left side, try ATLAS.ti for free. Just click on it.
Yes,
now,
yes,
here you can give your email ID. As we have more than one or two email IDs, please remember which email ID you are giving on it. And you have to create unique ID. Unique ID means one upper letter, one special character, one numerical number, and it should be minimum 8 or 9. Please check it out. Okay. It's better to have minimum 10 letters. Please write down your email ID and give unique password. After that, just click on continue. Once we click on the continue, please check the email ID that you have given. I request all the participants, those who are trying to create account in ATLAS.ti, check the email ID that you have given and verify your email address. And you have to confirm. You have to confirm that email ID, you might have received the email ID. We have sent you an email to particular email ID that you given. Please open your inbox and click on the link in the email to confirm you that you are the owner of that particular address. After opening your email ID, if you confirm it, you can able to see the next progress like this. It is asking verify your email. Here you need to verify your account. Just click on verify your account. Next, progress. Again, it will take back you to the ATLAS.ti website and we are going to complete our registration. We have to give your first name and last name. Please give your first name and last name. And in case if you want to receive any kind of updates, maybe in terms of discounts, in terms of webinars, in terms of training programs from ATLAS.ti software, if you want to receive any kind of information updates, just click on here, this particular mark, means you can check it, this particular tick mark. If you don't want it, there won't be any issue. And click on complete registration. Once we click on the complete registration, you'll get this kind of window. Next progress window will be like this. Next progress window like this. Now you can see that right side we have ATLAS.ti 25 Windows. It is a new version. It is a new version. And 25th is Mac is there and website we have it. Okay. So right now we have new version is 25th. Now what you can do, just click on the activate product. As you can see left side here, just click on the activate product. You'll get this kind of message. Just click here. And if it is not going, just click on close. Just click here, activate. You won't be able to see anything. Just click on close it. Okay. Then you can click on based on your software, whether it is a Windows, whether it is a Mac. If you click here, this particular software will be downloaded in your desktop, on your desktop. Okay. Just click on ATLAS.ti 25 Windows. Now As you're going to see download on the top right side of your window, I think it may take some time for you all, at least 30 seconds sometime. Now, once it gets download, with the help of mouse, right click on it, click on open. Once software downloads on your system, like you can see on top right side here, just right click and you will be able to see that open option. Just click on open. If you click on open, the next progress window will be like this. We are going to set up ATLAS.ti. Means you're going to get the message like welcome to ATLAS.ti setup. Just click on the next. When you're getting message or when you're getting window like welcome to ATLAS.ti setup, just click on the next, and it is giving some license agreement to you. If your time permits, you can go through that, but you can simply you can click on accept the agreement. Okay, simply click on accept the agreement, and if you're not accepting it, it won't go back. So you have to click on accept the agreement, then click on the next. I think generally we do this kind of software day to day basis. There's nothing special here, but just click on I accept the agreement, click on next, and select destination location. Now, where you want to save ATLAS.ti software, where you want to set up this particular ATLAS.ti software. By default, it is showing us it is going to save our file in C drive. Most of the softwares almost will be there in C drive, right? So I don't want to make any changes. So just click on next. Just click on next, and you will see the next progress window like this. We are ready to install it. We are ready to install the ATLAS.ti package. Just click on install. Just click on install. Again, it may take 30 seconds to 1 minute. It depends on your network and data. Just click on install. Those have completed after 30 seconds or 1 minute. You will get new progress window like this. Here we got the message. ATLAS.ti has been successfully installed on your computer. And I also want to launch it, ATLAS.ti. So just click on launch ATLAS.ti and you can close it. You can close it. Please, those who installed it successfully, please send any kind of reactions. Yes, no?
Yes, sir, installed.
Okay, okay. Almost finished, yeah.
So after launch ATLAS.ti, then we have to close it.
Just close it. Now go to your desktop. You'll find ATLAS.ti software on your desktop. Those are successfully installed.
Yes,
ATLAS.ti software. You'll be able to see ATLAS.ti software logo, like this kind of logo, red color logo on your desktop.
yes, sir. We can see, sir. Yes.
Just with the help of your mouse, right click, click on open. If you click on open, it will ask you to log in. Now here you have to give same email ID that you have used for creating the account.